Okay, so this is 7b76 continued. I have to do another video. So what I did was do the magic angle spinning part 1a formula for the last one, and I make this one part 1b formula UFO. There's the alien radio signal, and June 16, 2013. Today's July 7th. There's 3 or 4 videos with this. Actually, there's more. But we're talking about the rotation of the ship, and we were in the middle of the formula, and then my battery died on me. So, see in part 2. Oh, okay, video continues here. There we go. So, the rest of the formula is BO plus the axis in P in pi rotation, tilted magic angle, OM plus R equals quantum forces, transport equations in line 22, while data cross-reference respect direction plus BO. I wasn't sure if you caught the last part of the last one, so let's backtrack one paragraph, okay? Rings, vacuum, tunnel frequency, electron, pencil ribbon laser beams, diffraction, colliding, recycling fuel formulas in line 20 to 22 data, and while cross-reference inside electric Higgs magnetic field. So, nuclear magnetic resonance, magic angle spinning, mass technique used to perform experiments, NASA, solid state NMR spectroscopy from 1971. Data. We're going to look to see if anything comes up. What I mean by see part 2, see part 2's video. So this video will be the video for the data for this particular formula will be in the next video, which will be part 2, okay? So spinning samples frequency 1 to 7 kilohertz, magic angle, there's the calculations there. Oh, okay, I gotta read it out to you. It's 0 or OM, CA 54.74 degrees, add 61 degrees. So you want to make it 61 degrees instead of 54.74. Where cos 2, 0m equals 1/3, make the cos 3, cos to the power of 3, sorry, to the power of 3 instead of 2, and om equals 1/4 instead of 1/3. Okay, change to 1/4 instead of 1/3. Alright. Respect direction, magnetic field, Higgs boson signal, electric fields, CERN 2012 June data results. Like I said, I'm having trouble talking today, and now my arm's aching. Sorry, I got my fan blowing on me, and it's just making me very, very cold. I'm just going to pop it. It's going one direction away from me. So broad line spectrum, blue visible light, red infrared laser beams, radiation, radiance, narrower pencil beams, increasing resolution, identify analysis spectrum, tau particles from neutrino colliding sorry, it's supposed to be split, not spit, split fermions, split baryons, leptons, 3/4 spin, liquid argon gas, water vapor invention, steam mineral oils, Janet Conrad data. She's a scientist that worked on the neutrinos. I should make that specific for neutrinos. She did a lot of data. Neutrinos data with from the 2008 MiniBooNE experiments. It's called like that. So I'm going to Google 2008 MiniBooNE experiments to see if they exist, because I wasn't sure if they do, and yes they do. So quotes from the Google searching is BooNE booster neutrino experiment, BooNE, I'm wondering why I can't see, my glasses are on top of my head instead of on my eyeballs, where they're supposed to be. Sorry, www.boone.fnl.gov. The results are there. Primary goal of the experiment is MiniBooNE's anti-neutrino charged current quasi-electric cross-section papers on the archive. D78 01 2007 2008. So formula to add to previous data. MiniBooNE and anti-neutrino charged current quasi-electric cross-reference cross-section paper D78 012 007, 2008, archives, Janet Conrad. Talks, slides, and posters, BooNE Booster Neutrino Experiment, www.boonefnl.gov, MiniBooNE and Neutrino Oscillation Experiment at Fermilab, recent results from the MiniBooNE and SciBooNE experiment, October to the 23rd to 26th, 2008. Formula to add to the previous data, MiniBooNE plus Neutrino Oscillation Experiment, Fermilab results plus SciBooNE. I better make it look the way it's supposed to be. B-O-O, and then it's supposed to be N-E. I love how they do that. They don't write like I do. Experiment October 23rd to 26th, 2008. Google SciBooNE experiment, that date to find out what it is. Links to of all 2008 data experiments, data to compare and add to this formula. There was a long list, so I didn't put it in here. So I'm going to show you what it is, just so you can see how large it is. There's all sorts of experiments. I don't know exactly how this all ties in together, but this gives you a rough idea. There's at least, I'd say 30-40 links on this page. So what you're going to do is just look for the 2008 data. Don't worry about the rest. It goes down halfway down the page. Okay? You don't need to do 2007, but look at the 2008 data. Oh, this is 2011 here. Oh, okay. So I thought this was all 2008. So 2008 is just in a certain section here. It's all by year. So that's the ones you want to look at, okay? And let's go back to this. Okay. So we're going to Google the formula, searching, continue. So PCAC and coherent pion production by low energy neutrinos. arxiv.org by C. Berger, 2008. Essential for the experiments at 2.2 GeV, the SciBooNE upper limit. No whack for the MiniBooNE collaboration. So that's something you want to look at. This PDF file, persistent search for muon antineutrino disappearance oscillations, academiccommons.columbia.edu. You want to look at their data. September 25th, 2012, the SciBooNE and MiniBooNE detectors, many essential details about the SciBooNE experiment, October 2007. So we do have one that's 2007. Then April 2008, neutrino. And then it's got a calculation there. More formula data. Quote from the blog: the Fermilab program, Tevatron Collider, MiniBooNE, and the Pierre Auger Observatory. The Fermilab accelerators are setting records regularly, both for the Tevatron Collider program and the main injector, MI, and booster neutrino programs. The particle astrophysics program is also achieving acclaim for its productivity. So it's www.aps.org. So you want to look at that. So what you want to do is, my thoughts. So we know it's not a quote anymore. Combine all the data found with Janet Conrad's and other teams with these WOW data formulas. Look for keywords. I can cross-reference this in the future once I get to line 27. I'm still on line 22. Formula continues in parts 2 and 3 in the next two videos, lines 22, 7b, 76, 76, 77, 78. Okay? I'm going to put down there's an A and B for this one, so we don't lose that. Okay? Thanks for watching.